Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Shireen Zainab. First of all, thank you so much for your nice comments and feedback on my first video. So in this lecture we will discuss two things. The first one is how to download Figma or how to use Figma, and the second thing is we will discuss about the prominent features of Figma. So without any further delay, let's dive in. Prominent attributes of Figma. The first one is real-time collaboration. Figma allows multiple designers to work simultaneously on the same project in real time. This feature enables seamless collaboration and reduces the need for constant file versioning and sharing. The second one is cloud-based design. Figma operates entirely in the cloud, eliminating the need for manual file saving and enabling easy access to design from anywhere with an internet connection. The third one is vector editing. Figma offers powerful vector editing tools, making it suitable for creating scalable designs. The fourth one is really awesome, which is called prototyping. Designers can create interactive prototypes with Figma, enabling them to showcase and test the user experience for their designs without needing a separate prototyping tool. The fifth one is component libraries. Figma supports the creation of reusable components and design libraries, allowing designers to maintain consistency throughout their projects and quickly make updates across multiple screens. The sixth one is auto layout. Auto layout enables designers to create responsive designs by automatically adjusting elements based on content and device size, like app, web, tab, anything. And the seventh one is version history and comments. Figma provides version history and commenting features, allowing designers to track changes and collaborate with team members effectively. The next one is plugins. Figma has a vibrant community of plugin developers, and designers can extend the functionality of the platform through various plugins to streamline their workflows. The next one is really awesome also, and it is updating by time. So this is developer handoff. Figma offers features for developers also, allowing them to inspect and download assets as well as generate CSS code for directly from the design. The next one is mobile preview. Designers can use Figma's mobile app to preview and interact with the designs on iOS and Android devices. So these are the prominent attributes of Figma. Now we will take a look at the Figma's interface. Let's go to your Chrome browser and type figma.com. And you can see the landing page of Figma here. We can get started for free in Figma. You just need to simply add your email address and password here, and then you need to click on this checkbox. Then you can simply create account, or you can continue with Google. So here I am continuing with Google. Simply select your Google account. I am getting started for free now, and I'm going to design with Figma. So here you go. It simply created a project for me. And now we will take a look at the interface of project. So here you can see, here is a hamburger menu. You can see all the features and all the highlighted prominent attributes of Figma here. But they also mention some of the important tools here in the toolbar. This is a simple move tool, which is default in all the softwares. So the next one is frame or artboard. You just simply need to click frame here, or you can click F from your keyboard. So you will be able to see all the frames list here. There is phone, in which you can see iPhones, Android, and then we have tablet, desktop, presentation, watch, paper, social media, and lots of things there. So for now I'm gonna select iPhone 14 here, and then we will move to the next one, which is shape tool. So I'm gonna select rectangle. You can create a rectangle here, and you can see these pointers here. So you can change the shape of your rectangle with those pointers, or you can simply go to give some corner radius here. I'm going to give it 30, so you can see the difference here. After that, we have line tool. I am simply creating a line here. So you can use this line as a separator or as a divider, and you can also change its color from here. When you select rectangle, you can see all the properties on the right side, like its height and width, its corner radius, constraints, layer, and you will be able to also add stroke here and some shadow effects. You can see there is a shadow here. If you want, you can also change the color of the shadow, like I'm going to make it red, and you can also change the stroke color. So there you go. After that, we have arrow. So you can use arrow if you are creating a user flow in Figma. Next one is ellipse. You can create a circle with it. There is a great thing in this circle that with this arc you can change the you can change the shape. There you go. And also you can decrease or increase the ratio like that. If you are creating graphics, Figma is really helpful in that case. Let's move to the next one, which is polygon. So you can decrease or increase its ratio, or you can also give corner radius from there. I'm going to give it 30 or 10 or 5. It's upon your graphics. So the next one is you can increase or decrease its counts, like its corners. You can also do it from here, but I am gonna do it from this one. So you can see it is increasing. Yes, there you go. And the next one is star. With the star, you can do the same thing. You can increase or decrease its corner radius, or you can increase its count, or you can also decrease it. As you see, it's 5. I'm gonna decrease it and then I'm gonna increase it. There you go. So the next one is place image. So you can choose any images, open them. So you just need to click on any object to mask the image. So I'm gonna click here, here, and here. You can see that we have successfully placed image. And the next one is really awesome. This is pen tool. You can create any icons or any logo in Figma easily. You can see it aligned by itself. So this is something really awesome. So the next one is type tool. You can type any text here and you will be able to change its font. Like I'm going to give it this one. The font is successfully changed. Next one is components. You can see all your created components list here and all the plugins and widgets. The next one is hand tool, which is default in all the features. And the next one is really awesome, which is add comment or add feedback. You just need to click on that, and anywhere in the design, if you want any changes or you have any suggestions, you just simply need to click on that place and you can type anything. Like I can say change its color. This is something really awesome, like for the collaboration in a team, or you can share the link with your client and he will give suggestions on any point. So these are the main tools of Figma. Then So these are the main tools of Figma. Now I'm just duplicating this with Control D. It is duplicated. I'm going to change it color, making it red, and I'm going to change its font. That's it. Now on the right side we have two things, design and prototype. So for prototype you just need to simply click on any object and you can simply connect it to the next screen or with any object you want. So now I am simply going to run the project to check its preview. Yeah, it's done. So I prototyped this object. I'm gonna click on this rectangle and you can see the screen is changed. So these are the main features of our Figma. In the next tutorial, we will discuss every single feature in details. I hope you understand everything and like all the Figma features. If you have any questions, you can leave your question in comment and I will try my best to reply all of your questions. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.